Hello you guys, I'm Haley of LoveLeys Hair and I'm here to do my very first unboxing video, or should I call it unbagging video. I have a package here from, please forgive me, I might say this wrong, it's Eleancia, that's Eleancia. So, for this unboxing, I'm just going to show you guys the jewelry that I bought. I was very excited about it. It had a very unique appeal to it. So I'm going to show you guys the jewelry that I bought, how it looks, what I feel honestly about it, just so you guys can make an informed decision when it's time for you to make your purchase. I definitely want to make sure I give you my honest review of the jewelry, so I'm going to make sure that I do not record this prematurely, but this is going to be the fresh opening. I have not looked at the jewelry, so you guys will know how I really feel about it automatically, okay? So, of course, I ripped it open, but I did not go into it yet, so let's go together. Of course, this is my order details. I'm going to cover this up, but the name is Eleancia. Hopefully you guys can see that. I got 3 pieces. One is a bracelet, and then I got 2 pairs of earrings. So let's look at these together. They come in these little baggies. I think they're cute. They say www.eleancia.net. And then it comes with some business cards where you can follow Eleancia on Instagram, Facebook, and email them. Alright, so let's get started. So the first piece I'm grabbing is the bracelet. The bracelet is called the Fall Harvest bracelet in Jasper Yellow and Copper. So it came in this little package. I ripped it off very quickly, Eleancia. But I think I'm in love. Look at that. The tones of it is beautiful. I like that it's a neutral tone. It's not too pearl. It's more of a earthy type of feel. It does have these little bejeweled pieces here that I really like. I'm hoping you can see. These ones that look like glass. I'm not a silver girl, so this would be great for me because even though it has the glass, it almost looks diamond-like. It doesn't look silver. So I'm a fan of the bronze, you know, definitely fall feel. So that's the bracelet I got. Let's see what else. Let's see. Ooh, I like these. So these earrings are called the Genuine Leather Tan Teardrop earrings. Genuine leather. So that's exciting that I know this is genuine leather. You can kind of see on the back that it's a leather. But yeah, I'm loving that it's a gold hoop. Like I said, I am a lover of gold. Eleancia has the label right there. But I'm gonna put them on for you so you guys can see how they look on me. I'm definitely a fan of dangled earrings because I wear my hair up a lot, and I think when you have your hair pulled up in a way from your face, it's always nice to have a little bit of hanging going on with your earrings. Doesn't have to be huge, but I think it should be enough where, you know, the impact is felt. But yes, I think I like them. Look at my little mirror over here. Okay. I feel like they're very simplistic. As far as what I would wear with them, I would definitely probably stay in the lighter tones. Nothing too dark unless it was like strictly like black and no patterns like this shirt. But I do like them. I think that they are very lightweight. They feel comfortable on my ears. They don't feel like they're weighing them down. Actually, these are like the lightest hoops I've ever put on my ears. So I'm kind of liking that. Can't even feel that they're hoops. But yeah, what do you guys think? I hope you like them. I do. I'm gonna put on my other pair of earrings. I'm not gonna have y'all here all day. I just want y'all to experience these as I do. I do love that they're lightweight. Like, I think the fact that these are leather is an amazing thing because you can't feel them on your ear. And the last pair I'm putting on. Ooh, I didn't even remember what these looked like when I ordered them. Okay, these are very similar to the ones I just put on, but they are gold, all gold. Now I told you how I feel about gold, so I'm really hype. I'm really hype about these, and I think I'm gonna wear them all day. I can already tell. I didn't even put them on, but I'm already hyped because I can actually see the reflection of this on my camera, and it's giving me life, like giving me life. So these ones are called the Glamorous Gold Glitter Earrings. It sounds about right. I think that like really just explains what these earrings are. So let me put them on for y'all. They do have the little plastic hoops on the back. The other ones have these too, where it kind of secures the hoop on to your ear. I'm gonna put these in. One, put the other one in. These are also very light, just like the other ones, which I love, because the biggest thing I have with hoops is feeling weighed down, feeling like my ears are sagging, feeling like there's an irritation. I am sensitive to certain metals and stuff. I try to get nickel-free jewelry, so I will definitely keep you guys posted to see if I get any negative interaction with my skin with this, but they are light. I can barely feel them. Check them out, check myself out. Okay, yes. I really like these. Yes. Like, I extremely like these. Like, I'm not even doing the most, but these are, like, the happiest thing. I feel like I just got, like, they're giving me so much life. Like, y'all about to see me post a lot of stuff with these earrings on. And I like that they're so light. Like, normally if you get something that's this gaudy and, like, flashy, it's weighted. And these are, like, literally, like, light as a feather. So on that note, if you're a person who gets easily irritated by like weight on your ear, like this would be the ideal thing for you to get. So yeah, I support. Eleancia is a brand that I pray I'm saying right, that was introduced to me by my sister Nikki, and I'm very happy she told me about them because these earrings are very lightweight. I think the biggest issue I have with earrings, just because I do hair and I move around a lot, is that like I feel like an irritation from moving around back and forth and then weighing down, and I do like loud earrings. So this is like a perfect mixture between having something lightweight but then having something that's really fashionable. So I will definitely do a update if I do have any issues with irritation, but right now it feels like it's good. So I'll keep you updated. Definitely feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about purchasing. But I will put the link for this website underneath so you can look at their whole catalog. I think they have a whole bunch of series of different lines based off of the seasons and different feels. So check them out. I think you would like them. I think I love them so far. I like that these feel very coordinated. So shout out to Eleancia, and I thank you guys for watching. Again, feel free to like, comment, subscribe below. If you have any questions about the jewelry, I think I'm very happy with it. I'll probably just forward you to the company if you have questions, since I do not sell this. But I love the jewelry. I hope you guys do too. But thank you for watching. Bye.